Hey everyone, Nate here with 911 Rapid Response. Thanks for tuning in once again. And behind me we have a Ford F-250 utility vehicle for the Upper Allen Fire Department. And we're going to start by going over the equipment that we have in the back and this Dakota body that we have installed. At the rear of the vehicle we have some Chevron reflective Whelen T-ions. As you can see, those are a duo, red and amber flashing. We've got some added grab handles at the rear and some scene lighting up at the top of each box. As we move around, we'll start here at this rear compartment. Custom chainsaw mount, and that actually is going to enable us to secure the chainsaw and bring that device out in a safe manner. So stowing it and removing it, it's going to allow for quick and easy access. Safe storage there. Two 18-inch scene lights at the top of the service body on either side. Kussmaul auto eject there in front of the rear wheel, and above each wheel we have Whelen T-ion in a duo configuration red-white. And while we're here, we can stop and take a look at the graphics package installed by our team here, Market Graphics. Another great project completed by them, the design and the install, as always. Moving around to the front of the vehicle, Whelen T-ions, surface mounted to the grille there. And last but not least, the Whelen Liberty 2 54-inch light bar. That is a duo configuration as well. We'll get red and white function there to the front, sides, and red amber function to the rear. We actually removed the center module in that light bar, that center portion, and replaced it with a preemption device that would be active in position 3 out of drive. And we can carry on with some additions inside. Havas box console, customer supplied radio, Whelen HHS 4206 light controller, and we got plenty of function on there. We can breeze over that here momentarily. Armrest, accessory pocket, internal cup holders, and at the rear of that console we actually have a custom fabricated binder holder, if you might, map book pocket, but that is able to fit a full-size 3-inch ring binder. And for scene functions, as you can see, going to the left side, we're going to override white in the light bar and the T-ions. We also have those two 18-inch scene lights on the back of the box. Takedown feature is going to flood the front of the Liberty 2. We have a rear scene button for the two small scene lights on the back of each box. And then we have a button to give us full scene function, all the white lighting that we can get out of the vehicle with one press.
Hey!